Fennel, a versatile and aromatic herb, holds a unique place in culinary traditions, herbal medicine, and cultural rituals across the globe. Its mild anise-like flavor and wide-ranging benefits make it a cherished ingredient in kitchens and apothecaries alike. The plant, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare, is a member of the carrot family, native to the Mediterranean region, but now cultivated worldwide. Its adaptability and usefulness stem from its multifaceted structure, which includes seeds, leaves, and bulbs, each serving a distinct purpose. The story of fennel begins with its cultivation. Thriving in sunny, well-drained environments, fennel grows as a hardy perennial or annual herb, depending on the climate. Its tall, feathery fronds resemble dill, while its seeds are small, ridged, and aromatic. Farmers and gardeners value fennel for its ease of growth and resistance to pests, making it a sustainable choice for both small-scale gardens and large agricultural operations. Historically, ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, held fennel in high regard. It was associated with strength and courage, often used in rituals to ward off evil spirits or to celebrate victories. This legacy of reverence persists today, with fennel being a symbol of health and vitality. Culinary applications of fennel are as diverse as its parts. The seeds, with their warm, sweet, and slightly peppery flavor, are staples in many spice blends, from Indian garam masala to Italian sausages. They enhance the flavor of baked goods, teas, and even savory dishes. Fennel bulbs, with the crisp texture and mild licorice taste, are used in salads, soups, and roasted dishes. Thinly sliced, the bulb pairs beautifully with citrus fruits and olive oil, creating refreshing, palate-cleansing salads. The feathery fronds, often used as a garnish, add a hint of flavor to dishes while elevating their visual appeal. The plant's culinary adaptability lies in its ability to complement a wide range of ingredients, from rich meats to delicate seafood, making it a staple in diverse cuisines. Beyond the kitchen, fennel plays a vital role in traditional medicine. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Fennel tea, brewed from the seeds, is a popular home remedy for soothing upset stomachs and alleviating colic in infants. Its essential oils, rich in anethole, are believed to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Modern studies continue to explore fennel's potential in managing conditions like hypertension, menstrual pain, and even certain respiratory issues. Its ability to balance bodily functions while offering a calming aroma highlights its dual role as a physical and emotional healer. Cultural traditions surrounding fennel showcase its enduring significance. In Mediterranean countries, fennel seeds are often chewed after meals as a breath freshener and digestive aid. In India, they are a key ingredient in mukwas, a post-meal snack that combines fennel with sugar-coated spices. Fennel also holds a place in folklore and mythology. In Greek mythology, Prometheus is said to have used a fennel stalk to steal fire from the gods, symbolizing the plant's association with knowledge and enlightenment. This cultural richness is a testament to fennel's influence, transcending its practical uses to become a part of human storytelling and identity. In modern times, fennel remains a symbol of health, flavor, and tradition. Its ability to adapt to new culinary trends and health needs ensures its relevance in a rapidly changing world. Whether as a garnish on a gourmet dish, a comforting cup of tea, or a natural remedy for everyday ailments, fennel continues to enrich lives. Its legacy, rooted in ancient traditions, persists as a reminder of the enduring connection between humans and the natural world, where even a simple herb can offer nourishment, healing, and inspiration.